ko.
Ay, akala ko picture eh. Nakagano'n naman. Uy, Kay, huwag naman akong gawin ito. Kanina pa kasi.
Lugi ako, Maylin. Ano ka ba?
Kanina, photographer ako. Videographer ka ngayon, nag-lugi. Dali, nabulunan ako. Kaya mo pa, Kay.
Grabe.
Ano, Ken?
Ano, ate?
Ken, ano ang sabi mo? Sige.
Ano?
Nilalabas mo yung worst. Grabe.
Okay lang yan, nasira yung kuko. Kaya kanina may white yan eh. Ngayon black na oh.
Alam ko, French tip yan. Yeah, French tip.
Wala na dito na lang, ito na lang. Buo pa yan eh. Uy, promise.
Ken, ano sabi mo kay Malen? Sa amin?
All I can say, this is one of the best tests.
You're the only man who made me cry.
What?
Hindi, yun lang kasi si
Huwag kang maingin sa salita si Kay. Ano ka ba? Kay, go.
Anong
Kay,
go
lang.
doon?
Oo.
Sabi, pamela ko, pinatay.
Sabi ko lang, ito
Oo.
yung isa sa pinaka-best na bonding.
Wow.
Huwag
Huwag kang maingin.
Ang kulit nyo. Tatlo lang kayo, pero grabe.
Oo.
Apat kami. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pinapatay nyo ako sa tawa. Super.
Yeah, thank you, Kay. Grabe. I love you, Kay.
Love you, Kay! Love you, agad.
Wow, grabe.
Pwede bang like muna bago love?
See? Meron tayong complimentary.
Oo, grabe. Kasi kilala ka niya. Kilala ka dito, Ezra Valley.
Naka-5 hours na tayo. Okay, go.
At naka 5 hours tayo dito.
Yeah.
Na puro kanta.
Yes, bukas sa office bangag ang lola nyo.
Din siya.
See what love can do? Oh my gosh. Wait. Diyan lang ha, dito lang. Ano ba? Ako natutuwa.
Konting speech naman dyan, Kay.
Hindi ba may speech yun?
All I can say is, kaya na pa ako nag-speech. I just
Oo.
wanted to see the complimentary fruits
Yes? This is for you?
from Music Bank. Music Bank.
Ano ba itong pinuntan natin?
Yes.
Music Bank.
You're in good hands.
With Music Bank.
Yay! Kasi nakilala ka nila.
Oh,
Yeah.
flattered ako. Anyway,
Thank you for this night ha. Promise.
meron mang...
Nag-enjoy kayo? O nabad trip ka sa
Meron mang Israelite na
Oo.
taga-music bank.
Oo.
All I can say is thank you. Thank you for the complimentary fruits.
Yeah.
And really, I've enjoyed this night being with you guys.
Yeah.
The addicts,
Yeah. Who's with you tonight?
Jane, Bridget, and Ate Malen.
Thank you.
Of course.
Of course, Mommy Des.
Yes. Ang napakagandang Mommy Des natin. Grabe.
yeah.
Without you, Mommy Des,
I love you too.
hindi to maging successful ngayong
Ay,
show na to. Thank you so much.
And you know what? I drank 5 bottles of...
What? 5 bottles of what?
Wait, lang daw.
5 bottles of Tanduay Ice Red. And, well...
May blue kanina, uminom ka ng blue.
Yeah, red and blue.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, right.
I'm a bit drunk.
Combination of blue
I'm
and red.
a bit
Violet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tita Chan, violet. Ay, sorry.
And, well, that's probably...
That's it.
That's it.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Kay.
Yeah, no. Actually, I don't want to. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for inviting me.
Mag-i-upload yan
And, I
They got
had
my lang.
so much fun being with you guys, being with the addicts.
Wow, thank you so much.
Singing. It was...
Dancing?
No, I
you're not
haven't been dancing.
Yeah.
But
Dancing.
it's been an honor for me to sing for you guys.
Thank you.
Kay.
Yeah.
Love you.
So, thank you for this night, and
Bukas ulit.
may God bless you, every one of you. May God bless you.
God will also bless you because you deserve to be happy. Yes, you deserve to be happy. And we long to see you in the limelight. That very soon, okay? Very soon.
Well,
Yeah.
alam mo, naging blessings.
You know what? It's an
Naging
interview.
blessings kayo.
Message.
God,
Welcome
sa akin.
to the band!
So, sana maging blessing din ako sa inyo.
Tapos ang 45
Yeah.
minutes.
Alam mo,
Oh,
Kay,
God, I thank
con-
it for you guys.
Yeah.
So, thank you. And sana, yun nga, sana po yun, sana naging
Sabi ni
blessing
Derek.
ako sa inyo.
Marshall!
Pinagtasa mo na nila tayo!
Hindi tayo sa katawanan.
Ako naman, pwede ba?
Oo nga. Grabe, sobrang thank you ah.
Tatanong lang ako.
Thank you, Kay!
Nananawagan po ako. Kayo na pong belt.
Yan.
Ay, sa'yo. Ginawa mo ng basurahan niyo, diba?
Kukainin natin yan para kay Kay yan oh. Bigay na. Saan nga tayo?
Jen.
Yeah, Kay, hello. Again.
Okay lang kung customize na itong video.
Sure, I promise. Alam ko naman, Kay eh. Alam ko yun. I know your privacy, so I really understand you
Addicts,
also.
okay lang. I-share mo to sa addicts.
Yeah.
Pero ano, sharing eh.
Sis?
Yeah.
Kasi
Paano ko?
tingin ko,
Nag-nosebleed na ako kay Kim.
Naiintindihan ko yun, naiintindihan ko yun.
mukha na ako si Goofy.
No. Napakaganda mo, Kay, sobra.
No? Really?
Ang ganda mo, Kay, grabe.
Ayaw ni Kay na maganda,
Sobra.
gwapo.
Gwapo.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Yan ang gusto ko.
Gusto ko tang makita walking along the aisle one day.
Walking along the aisle!
Yeah.
Kasi